Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hungarian ebook before it's gone.
Welcome to your 2000 Core Hungarian Words and Phrases video series quiz. Each week, we release a video teaching you new vocabulary. The following week, you will be given a quiz so you can test your progress. Click the link in the description. Let's learn and review the words for your test. But if you are ready, it's quiz time! Kocka. Ajándék. Vevő. Díj. Kedvezmény. Cash. Spend money. Clothing store. Department store. Boutique. Great job on completing the quiz. If you didn't get 100%, don't worry. Just check out the previous video again to review the expressions we covered. But before you go, we have a free gift that you don't want to miss. Use it to expand your vocabulary. Click the link in the description below to download our Hungarian ebook with the Core 2000 Words for daily life situations.